And as promised, we got more cases for the iPhone 11. Alright, let's break this down one at a time. Let's get into it. Let's go. I'll see y'all after the intro. Yeah, boy.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Alright, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my first impressions with the Annymall full protective case for the iPhone 11. I hope y'all enjoyed that real quick preview of the next 3 cases that I have coming up. So we just recently wrapped up the full review of the JetTech case, and I told you guys and gals we're going to have more accessories for the iPhone 11 coming in, and this is the next inexpensive case that we're going to take a look at. So this is the Annymall full protective case for the iPhone 11, and this one is the most inexpensive case of the bunch that we're going to look at, because this one is coming in at just over $6. That's right, y'all heard me right. This full protective case right here comes in at just over $6. So it really didn't come in much. It just came in this protective baggie, which had its barcode label on it. That's all it really came in. And then it came separated already. So y'all see we have the back plate here, and then we have the screen protector front plate right here that just snaps onto the front of your device. And I'm a little saddened, to tell you the truth, because one, this clip right here is bent. Alright, so it's bent. Now it was bent more than what y'all see on video, and I was contemplating if I want to do a return or get a replacement and tell Amazon that it came damaged. But I really want to take a look at this case. So all I really did, I was able to heat up the plastic and bend it kind of back in place. And then right here, y'all can see the front of the screen protector is dirty. And this just literally came out of the package. And not just that, but I feel as though, and you know, I'm not making this video to bash on Amazon, but I gotta let y'all know my experience. I feel as though the Amazon delivery driver for this one did not handle the package with care, because not only did they misreport the delivery inside of the application, alright, but it was like left in like a dirty area. So like my package was covered in some dirt. And I'm looking like, bro, that's not cool. And they misreported. They actually said they handed it to a resident at the house. Nah, they didn't hand it to a resident. They left it at the door, and they left it in like a dirty spot. So the package was dirty. And then for me to unpackage one of the items and see that it was bent and all dirty, I don't know, man. Amazon really let me down on this one. But nevertheless, we're going to keep it moving forward. I just had to report my experience. I'm not happy with this case in particular, because it's dirty and it was kind of bent, but we're still going to review it nevertheless. So, as y'all can see, I've taken my iPhone 11 out of the JetTech case, and we're going to go ahead and go over the installation for the Annymall case here, and I'm going to give y'all my first impressions. Now, in all honesty, y'all, I'm kind of thinking, because this screen protector is so dirty already, that I might just take a utility knife or a box cutter and just cut this out. I've showed y'all how to do that on previous videos. I'm going to try and clean it up, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like with the plastic screen protector installed. But if I can't clean it up the way I want, I'm going to just take an X-Acto knife, a box cutter, or a utility knife, and just cut this out. And then just rock it without the plastic screen protector in it. But let's see what happens. So I'm going to go over the installation for everyone right here. But first, let's go over the first impressions of the most important part of the case. So this is the interior portion or the back portion. And y'all can see if we take a close-up look at the case, it's got a nice shock absorption pattern on the inside. Okay, and then we got cutouts for the cameras. We got cutouts for the speakers and the mic. We got a nice protective flap for the charging port. We got reinforced corners all around, fully protected buttons with a nice cutout for our mute slider. Okay, and y'all can see, I already told y'all, so y'all gonna see a lot of it. If it's not faux carbon fiber, then you're gonna be seeing a lot of combinations of blue and black. So I actually went with the blue and black combination for this one. Really good stuff there in my opinion. But that's what the main part of the case looks like. And I could tell y'all, this is all reinforced TPU plastic with nice grippy material going around the sides. So again, this is going to be a full protective case, and it's going to add much needed grip to an otherwise slippery device. And again, look at this. Now, I literally just took this out the package. Why is that dirty? This is supposed to be brand new. Why is that dirty? And as I'm looking at my order, they did not send me a used one. It says condition new. So this is supposed to be brand new. So why is it bent up? Why is it dirty? I'm a little bit disappointed right now. But let's carry on. Let's carry on. Okay? We're not going to let that negative energy hold us down. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do when you're installing the case on your device is you just want to take the front plate. Make sure you wipe your device down thoroughly. So y'all can see I got multiple microfiber cleaning cloths here. You just want to wipe the back of the device down, wipe the sides of the device down, wipe the front of the device down, and then you're just going to take the front and line it up with the front and snap it in on the screen protector portion. Okay, so let's just make sure the screen is nice and clean as we can get it. Because once it's on, it's going to be a little bit of torture to get it off. See some dust right here. Okay. So screen is nice and clean. Then you're going to just take this and line this up with the cutouts in the charging port for the display. So you're going to go just like this. Make sure it clicks in. Just like that. Y'all see how easy that was? And y'all see how everything lines up? That's what we want. Then you're going to take this back portion and drop it on and fold it over. Okay? So that's what we're going to do next. Take the back portion here. Make sure it lines up. And we're just going to drop it on and fold it over. Paying special attention to how it clips in here. Y'all see we got a rough spot here. You're just going to take this, pull it out. Now you can see it kind of messed up there, so we're just going to flip it back over. Right? Let me pull this out of the frame for a minute. Just flip it back over. And you're just going to pop it back out. Okay, see, because one side went in and the other side didn't. So it kind of did a half and half. That's not what we want. So again, just make sure it lines up. Take the back, take the sides, wherever you want to start. The charging port is the easiest, and you just fold it over. Push and fold. Just like that. Sorry I didn't show y'all, but I just started at the charging port. You push and you fold over. And then we're going to take our time and just take the sides, push, and fold over. Just like that. Push and fold over. Push and fold over. Push and fold over. Just that easy there, right? Then, if you got a little bit of side sticking out still, you're just going to take your fingers and push it in. Make sure it's all nice and snug. Let me turn this off here. Make sure it's all nice and snug here. Till it's nice and flush. Just like that. Okay, so now it's on nice and flush. And I'm going to have to take some disinfectant wipes because, yeah, this is all dirty right here. I'm going to probably do that off camera here. Yeah, this is all dirty here. They dropped it in something and it got inside the package. Yeah, so we're going to have to take some disinfectant wipes and really clean up that plastic display. But that pretty much goes over how you would install it on your iPhone 11. Okay, and now let me check out the buttons. So, power button, nice and clicky. Still nice and tactile. Let me hold it up to the mic for y'all, so listen. Power button, nice and clicky. Volume rockers. Same thing. Nice and clicky. Let me hold this up. Nice and clicky volume rockers. Can we still get to our mute slider here? Oh, it's recessed pretty deep. Okay, we can still reach it. So, yeah, it's in there pretty deep though. But it's still reachable, so yeah, you can still get to your mute slider here. Okay, so it is recessed for protection, but it's still reachable. Okay, and now we have full protection for the entire device. Okay, and we got all of our necessary cutouts with a nice protective flap down here. Now, one thing I want to check, I wonder if wireless charging is still going to work with such a thick plastic case. Let's see. So, dropping it on. It still works. So, wireless charging still works even through such a thick plasticky case. It still works. Okay, so not bad. So, not only do we still get full functionality for the device, but we have full protection as well. Now, let me check out the screen sensitivity. Okay, let's check that out. So let me use my face unlock. So face unlock works. No problem there. So sensitivity still good here. Nice and responsive. Okay. So we still have full functionality. Now we have full protection. And first impressions with the Annymall full protective case for the iPhone 11, it's actually pretty good. Now, in terms of the feel in hand, it's nice and grippy. Okay, and we have that full protection. Got a nice cutout for the camera lenses, and y'all can see it's nice and deep and recessed. So definitely don't have to worry. Full protection for the display with a nice protective lip. So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. All right. So this, guys and gals, has been my first impressions of the Annymall case for the iPhone 11. And this is the most inexpensive case that we're going to look at in terms of accessories for the iPhone 11. This one, again, coming in at just over $6 after taxes. All right. Now, as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure y'all click off that notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay? Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up my social media connections down below in the video description, along with all the affiliated buy links will be available down below in the video description as well. So all the coverage, all the cases and or accessories that I cover for the iPhone 11, all that stuff will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So I do get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those links at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the iPhone. I'm tripping, too much iPhone coverage. On the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall lighting, as well as what you think of the overall video quality and the audio down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember, y'all, to keep it respectful, please. All right? That being said, if you have an inexpensive case that you want me to bring in and cover for the iPhone 11, please leave that feedback down below. As I said, all feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh, and for all my new people, when I do case videos, I shoot the unboxing and first impressions. Then I use the case straight for a week, and then I come out with my full review. So I'm going to use this for a week, and then we're going to come back, and I'm going to give y'all my full review and tell y'all if it's worth picking up. All right? So y'all be on the lookout for that full review coming out in about a week's time from the posting of this video. All right, we are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.